Hey guys, I wanted to show you why it's important to use Google Forms with Google Classroom. Makes it much easier to communicate with students. So what you're going to see over here is I've had several students that did not complete the assignment. So obviously they're not going to get any credit for it. And what I can do now is I'm going to return all these, so I make sure all these check boxes are clicked. And I'm going to click return. And obviously they did not even submit it, so yes, I want to return it. And then what you'll see at the bottom is a way you can do a private comment. So I always like to put my initials, that way when I go back through I can scroll and see if maybe they've commented. I can show you what that looks like a little bit later. But I'll just tell them you did not take the quiz. And now they're all going to get a notification as well that not only do they have a 0 on the quiz because they didn't take it, but also a comment that goes directly to them, and it's a way for me to track and see what all has happened. So good stuff, makes life easier to kind of have some blanket comments that you can send out to multiple students. So good luck.